So kalau kau tengok kat tepi ni, I tengah letak dekat tempat seat ni. I dekat tempat letak air. So, I just nak record. So I kata, okay, I record. Mesti record. I push myself supaya I kena buat record juga satu hari satu video ataupun satu kedua video, supaya nanti in case I tak ada idea nak posting, so I ada video yang I simpan ni untuk I posting. Okay, ni point yang I buat dalam Vision English. So kalau I punya pronunciation tu tak okay, I akan just let me know. Nanti kalau ada website yang rasa boleh ajak I untuk pronunciation yang okay, English UK, so let me know, right? Okay, so ni I punya point yang pertama. Nak I ni kacau pula. Nak record ni. Seremban open a quiet corridor. Okay, a room unfamiliar yet silent great. I walk slowly, my feet learning the rhythm. No voice, no demands, just my own breath. In the new class, my smile still locked. Introversion a blanket, shielding the ones not yet here. 2S, 2B, 1C, I was surprised. Achievement unlocked 4, yet teaching me to trust myself. Assistant leader perfect. Small duties entrusted. I learned to stand even in shadow. Tough, my voice remained soft. I learned to shape my own world, yet some wounds legit. Unwanted touch, secret keep, and a question in my heart. Why be tested so? Why does the world choose some heart to no pain? Still, I'm right. Naming each wound one by one, breathing in the safety of newfound space, learning slowly that I can still shine. Okay, thank you korang. Just in deep down. Okay, I hope case kalau korang yang tengah macam I, tengah struggle apa semua, macam cakap so I hope it's not the end of world. So kita jalan sama-sama. Okay, I with you. Bye. Bye guys, I with you. Alright.